This is how the skin is looking. Hi you guys, so today I'll be doing a skincare routine before leaving the house. I first dry my face or use cotton pads, and because I have dark circles, I'll be using the vitamin C serum all over my face until it absorbs, and I'll pay attention underneath my eyes. I washed my face with a cleanser and I used a Garnier clay mask, and then I wiped my face with a cotton pad. And now this is a skincare routine. So as you guys can see the title of the video, I am going for a nail appointment. And then afterwards I got the hyaluronic acid serum to hydrate my face. So I just drop that into my skin until it absorbs. So with all the serums, you just make sure you rub it into your skin until it absorbs. With all my skincare routines, I use SPF in the end. After using your serums, you get your moisturizer. Always use, after serums, you have to use a moisturizer and then you use SPF. So as I was saying, there are times when after my skincare routine I use SPF, and times when I don't use serums or moisturizer, I just go in with SPF. And SPF has really worked for my skin. Okay, you guys, this skincare routine, I have good genes, I know, but I just believe in sunscreen. I don't know if I should say this, like today I just feel like something is off, like something is not right, like something is off, something is not right, and I have to pray about that because I'm not leaving my apartment and I'm feeling something is off, not on my watch. And I use this sunscreen, spray it on my face. And that's it guys for my face. So I'm doing the hair now. Also my skin is giving skin. You know what? Let me just leave this out just for the beauty of it all. Although I didn't want anything in front of my face. Is it giving? Today is just not it, huh? Today is just not it. Whatever. Let's do these edges. So I already wiped my edges with my towel to remove all the sweat. So my edges are gonna look good and they're gonna stay longer. Anyway, I feel revived now guys. I think I just had to do my edges, but the hair is giving, the earrings are giving. Let's call this over and let's go do our nails now. And this is how the skin is looking. This is the time I'm leaving. 10 minutes before my appointment. So I'm doing stilettos. So yeah, I've made the decision to do stilettos, and I'll take you guys through the process. So she started by putting stilettos tips on my fingers. Every year I do Christmas nails, but this year I was undecided, and I really wanted to do this set. Like, I've been eyeing this set the whole year. I was like, you know what? Let me do this set. And then she's what is she doing? She's cutting them down to my preferred size, and then afterwards she's going to fold them again into my preferred stiletto shape. So yeah, you guys, I like this set. Also, guys, my appointment was at 10. You guys see how sharp they are, right? And I arrived there like at 10:12, around that time. So right now she's putting acrylics, and I found that she was doing someone's nails who arrived at 8. And I feel like she was kind of rushing to do my nails because the person who was there before took up my time, and then there are people who are still coming in for their appointed hours. So I felt like she was rushing. So after she puts acrylics, she shapes the nails and buffs the nails. And then, because I'm doing chrome, so you're going to see her paint some black stuff where the chrome powder sticks and the chrome powder pops. So that's what she's doing right now. So after she paints that black stuff, I put my hand in the UV lamp, I remove it, and then she puts the powder. So for these nails, I wanted them to be matte per the picture. And I've showed her this set before, I think like the last 2 times or the last time I went to do my nails. And when she was putting the top coat, I told her I wanted the matte. Okay, pause. Have you seen how it's looking like 3D? So she used Builder gel or whatever she used to make that effect, and I like that. And she didn't have the chrome colors that I wanted. I wanted some green, orange, so she did with what she had, but I feel like she should have had more colors because she's seen this set before. So I wanted a matte top coat, and then she says no, she only has a shiny top coat. And then that made me realize that I've noticed with these nail techs, even my Zambian nail tech, there are times when I would want matte and she'd be like, oh no, the glossy, I want the matte top coat. She'd be like, oh no, the glossy top coat looks better. Yes, it does look better, but I think you guys should also consider what your clients have. And my previous nail tech has given me a matte top coat before. And with my new nail tech here, I wanted a matte top coat. Then I asked her, why didn't you have a matte top coat? And she goes like, I didn't buy. And I don't believe that, because matte top coats, glossy top coats, gel nail polish are all around the same price. I know because I do my own nails. You can see this video linked here. I do my own nails. So I just found that weird. But she ended up doing the glossy top coat, and she puts oil on my nails afterwards. So I would give my experience and my nails a 7 out of 10. I also did my toes, by the way, but right now 2 of my pinky toes are out. My pinky finger has lifted and my main toe has broken, and she charges for repair. And this has never happened before. So like I said, I feel like when she was doing my sets for both my toes and my nails, I think she was rushing. So I'd give my experience. And because she didn't use the colors I wanted, Or she's putting oil on my nails now. So this is the set I wanted. I'd give my experience a 7 out of 10 because I'm being generous. Otherwise it would be 6.5. Yeah. Hi you guys, so I'm done with my nails. These are my nails. Let's have a look. Yeah. And I think it's time for me to go home and sleep. I'm done for the day. So I'm at the mall. I wanted to test the Hungry Lion here, and there's always a queue. It's ridiculous. I'm literally outside the shop. I guess I'll wait. So I'm in Clicks and I'm living with something. And this is why I come into the mall. It's always an expense. Now, let me go get my Hungry Lion and call an Uber. Hi guys, so I'm done. I've got my Hungry Lion. I'm waiting for my Uber. Now, Mr. Uber, come to the front of the congregation. Why would you think Boa did these nails? Like, do you see yourself seeing Boa doing these nails? No, it was not Boa, it was Bundler Nails. I saw this prank on Instagram. I decided to do it as well. I put red nail polish underneath my nails. Yeah. So guys, that has been my day. Look at my nails. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.